Kuble pi baro ta hakani ka video ngan pen iya ki answer jong kani ka jingkali kadai jong ka exam DSC ka post kadai ka enumerator but hanging in sedang daga ni ka part B ka elementary mathematics san pel marks ka we ka jingkali kadai r marks ki don kumba r percently ka banengkong kani nyo puwei ka ong which is a prime number A21 B31 C51 D63 Tang ni ka answer kadai kani ka B31 kadai prime number namar dan tang r teliki factor 1 into 31 ngio 31 mdon show da kiwei ta kadau kadai prime number kum 21 kam dai prime number namar mdai tang 1 into 21 kadai 21 3 into 7 ro kadai 21 ki bon ki factor 1 2 3 4 south teliki factor badan tang r teliki factor 1 but number itself kadai prime 57 root kamday prime namar mday tang 1 into 57 ngila ban multiply root daw 3 into 19 nang tao 63 root mday tang 1 to 63 kaday 3 into 21 root nang ta 3 into 7 ki bon kini ki factor yang ni ka prime number kaday 31 72 a triangle's angle are 50 and 60 the third angle is tingitip ba ka triangle ka don lai teliki angle we are lai dangi plus ya kane ka lai teliki triangle ki angle ni dai ban yo be 180 degree kam dai ban tam kam dai ban tuna ka dai be ban equal 180 degree hang ni r teliki dai 50 but 60 saga we ngim tip ni haban wat ni bodo x 50 plus 60 ka dai 110 but ban yo x ni 110 ni ra saka right side dai ban minus kadai 70 180 minus 110 kadai 70 the answer kadai ka option A 70 73 25% of 200 25% kamu 25 by 100 of ni to multiply 200 ngepom 0000 2 into 25 kadai 50 ka answer kadai option B 50 74 if a number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20% the net change is telarangi increase yaw taw number ngip tip taw number ngin bo daw 100 shbo taw number daw 100 larangi increase kumbar peu percent 20% of 100 kamu 20 by 100 into 100 kandai 100 plus 20 kadai 120 dangi increase yaw taw number kadai 120 nangta ngi decrease biang yaw new number by 20% new number ngi decrease kemut minus 20% kemut 20 by 100 into 120 nya pom r tli 0 r tli yo 120 minus 2 into 12 kadai 24 dangi minus kani hang di 10 minus 4 kadai 6 11 minus 2 kadai 996 banyo kata kan net change total change ni sim yaw new number 96 bangyo minus original number 100 divide by original number 100 tehangni 96 minus 100 kadai minus 4 by 100 banyo percent ni multiply daw 100 cancel kadai minus 4 kamut ka decrease minus kamut ka decrease la dari plus ka increase ka decrease kumba saw percent cancel kadai ka B 4% decrease 75 a shop offers 10% discount on 500 lara don discount 10% kemud 10 by 100 jong new number rupees 500 nya pom r teliki 0 5 into 10 kadai 50 kemud kadon ka discount kumba san peu tengka 10% naga san spa kadai san peu tengka ka price ka long menta san spa dangi minus san peu kadai south spa san peu ka price kan long south spa san peu ka answer kadai ka B 450 76 the LCM of 6 and 8 what kumni 2 into 3 day 6 2 into 4 day 8 3 into 1 day 3 sa stang 4 4 into 1 day 4 hangni la long 1 1 ni multiply 2 3 6 6 4 kadai 24 ka answer kadai ka option B 24 77 find the HCF lani ka GCD of 15 and 25 to 15 but 25 ban what else HCF near divide your 25 to 15 15 to 1 day 15 remainder 10 1 0 1 10 mentangira 15 hangni 10 to 1 day 10 remainder 5 mentado 10 hang ni 5 into 2 day 10 yo remainder 0 dan yo remainder 0 ngi stop ni sim yo new divisor kata day ka HCF ka answer ka day option B 5. Express 150 as a person of 300. But express only 150 as person of 300. 150 divided by 300 into 100. From 0, 0, 0, 0. 3 into 5 kadai 15, but new 0. 50% ka answer kadai ka C. 79 if the price of an item drops from 1000 to 800, then the person decrease is. Take a price hang ni ka drop now 1000 sa 800. The batwat ka formula ngi haban le da kani new price minus old price divided by old price multiply 100 ban your percent ka new price kani day old kani day new price ka day 800 minus 1000 divided by 1000 into 100 800 minus 1000 ka day 200 minus 200 namar minus day jong 1000 divided by 1000 into 100 ya pom r3 0 na jrong r3 na po way na jrong way na po ka day minus 20 kamut ka decrease kumba 20% ka answer ka day ka B 20%. 80 find 15% of 40 15% kamut 15 by 100 of ngibo multiply 40 10 10 ngi cancel nang ta san sini lai de khat san sini r de spell r sini r de sau lai sin r riu ka day 6 answer ka day option B. Next 81 ka find the mean of 257 banwa dia ka mean ka formula jong ka mean ngi haban ya plus na jrong total numbers po total ki don lightly 257 day 3 na jrong ngi haban ya plus 25 plus 7 2 plus 5 day 7 7 plus 7 day 14 14 by 3 14 dan ngi divide out 3 3 into 4 ka day 12 remainder 2 point yo 0 3 into 6 ka day 18 yo ni 4.6 but hang ni ki answer ki option ki ang ni tang kini da ki whole number sudam day decimal te da ngi round off ya kani 0.6 latam ya 5 kemudian ni 4 ngi laban plus shau ngi plus 1 ngi yo 5 la jan badu 5 te answer kan day ka option C 5. 82 the median of 3 8 5 12 7 is banwat ka median ngi arrange by number na ubarit show bahe 3 5 7 8 12 nang ta ngi ken kanut ngi count we are lai sao san tli ki don n equal 5 n ka day number of observation ki don tli bat ka day odd the formula banwat median kan day n plus 1 divided by 2 n ka day 5 5 plus 1 divided by 2 5 plus 1 ka day 6 6 by 2 2 into 3 ka day 3 kam day ka answer 3 ngim day ban sneu thu baklang ni ba ka day 3 hendray kan day ka third observation ubalai 1 2 3 7 day ta median mut middle most ba hapdeng do day u 7 ka answer ka day option B 7. 83 which figure always has exactly 4 right angles and opposite sides are parallel but on southerly sides baro ki angle kadai 90 degree right angle nang ta kani bat kani long parallel kani bat kani long parallel kani kadai ka rectangle ka answer kadai ka option C. 84 the sum of angles in a quadrilateral kadai ka figure but on southerly sides kumni tadangya plus ya kini ki angle southerly ngi dai banyo be barabor 360 the answer kadai 360 lada kadai triangle dangya plus ya kini ki angle baro lightly ngi dai be banyo 180 lada dai ka quadrilateral ngi dai banyo 360 yang ni kadai ka answer B. 85 the arithmetic mean banwat yang ya ka mean jong kini number first 20 natural number nado 1 hadu 21 2 3 hadu 20 ban yo ya ka min ka formula ka jo ngi haban ya plus ya kini ka way pa ka way 1 plus 2 plus 3 hado 20 divide by 20 na mar ki don kumbar pewtali tang ni ka simpor ban ya plus ka way pa ka way ngin le da ka ni ka formula hang ni ka de ka sequence badai arithmetic progression EP namar dang ya minus ba r bat ban kong yo 1 dang ya minus ba lai ba r yo 1 dang ya minus ba sa ba lai yo 1 ka ju be ka common difference kyong ka de ka arithmetic progression bat ban wad ya ka sum ban ya plus ya kini baro kan de da ka ni ka formula sum ka de n divide by n into n plus 1 divide by 2n gamut kan utli kidon kumbar pe utli 20 plus 1 divide by 2 2 into 10 hang ne kadai 10 20 plus 1 kadai 21 210 kamut dang ya plus nadu 1 hadu 20 kadai 210 kamin kani dang ya plus kadai 210 min day ban divide spot 20 namar kidon kumbar pe utli cancel 0 0 ya 21 divide by 2 21 dang ya divide 2 2 into 1 kadai 2 2 into 0 kadai 0 remainder 1 bu point yo 0 2 into 5 kadai 10 ka answer kadai 10.5 ka answer kadai option B. 86 if two angles of a triangle are 45 and 55 the third angle is kaning la deble meni la dadon artli ki angle ban wat yu third angle le kumni dang ya plus baro lai tli ki angle jong triangle kadai 180 balai ngim tim ngibu x equal 180 kani dang ya plus 5 plus 5 kadai 10 5 plus 4 dai 9 plus 1 kadai 10 100 nang ta ban yo x new 100 ngira sak kaliang jong 180 dai ban minus yo 80 ka answer kadai 80 degree option A. 87 which of the following is a perfect square mut number ba ni multiply r sin ju number subu kum 1 square 1 to 1 kadai 1 2 square 2 into 2 kadai 4 3 square 3 into 3 kadai 9 4 square 4 into 4 kadai 16 kum kini kadai ki perfect square ta hang ni badai perfect square dai 64 nama 64 kadai 8 into 8 dai 64 kumut 8 square 45 mdai 85 rum dai but 99 rum dai. The answer kadai ka B. 88 if the original price is rupees 800 and there is a discount 25% the new price is don't discount kumba arpsan percent nakanika 800 take a 25% mut 25 by 100 jong new 800 nya pom artli 0 artli into 5 day 4 40 carry 4 into 2 day 16 plus 4 kadai 20 kadai 200 kamut ka don't discount kumba 200 nang ta ka new price menta 800 minus 200 kadai 600 ka option A ka answer 600. 89 in a recipe the ratio of flour to sugar is 3:1 kamut kani ka flour kadai 3x but kani ka sugar kadai 1x kadai xe nangta if 300 gram lada 300 gram kadai ka flour kadai 3x to 3 into 100 kamut x kadai 100 gram ka x kadai sugar kamut how much sugar is required kadai 100 gram ka answer kadai option A. 90 the value of x plus 4 x minus 4 x plus 4 x minus 4 ka answer kadai x square minus 4 square kani pendon kam daga ni ka formula x plus y x minus y ki number ni baro r nang ta ni plus minus ngi yo x square minus y square x square 4 square x square minus 4 square kadai 4 into 4 dai 4 into 2 kadai 4 into 4 dai 16 answer kadai option B x square minus 16. 91 if the radius of a circle becomes 3 times its area become shubu kadon kani ka circle ka radius kadai r lada ka radius menta kadai 3 times 3 times the radius shubu kani ka kadon sa ko way pat ka circle hang ni laban ong ba ka radius kan long 3 times jong kani 3 times r new radius ngibu r dash equal 3r but ka area menta kan day pi r square pi r dash square pi r dash ka day 3r ngibu 3r badon square 3 square kemo 3 day 9 pi r square kan day kani pi r square ka day ka area jong kani ka first circle ngila bandong lani ka old circle ka new circle ka day 9 times the area of the new circle jang ni ka area becomes 9 times ka answer ka day C. 92 the root of x square minus 16 equal to 0 root kamut value of x jang ni badon square kamut r3 ki value jong x ka day x square equal rao 16 kadai plus 16 x equal to x square equal to 4 square number 4 into 4 kadai 16 4 into 4 kadai 4 square ni cancel x kadai 4 r3 kamut kadai ka way day plus ka way day minus take answer kadai option B plus 4 minus 4. 93 ka square root jong 108 kani ka square root jingmut ladangi don r3 jo number 33 kamut 3 square new square but root cancel kadai 3 kadai 9 kamut square root jong 9 kadai 3 ni yo kumne te kane ka 108 kadai ne m kata ka perfect square lada kamdai kamut ngi haban lada kadai ka perfect square ni yo be direct number shabar jong root kumne 9 day perfect square 3 into 3 day 9 kadai 3 square kamut ka square root jong 9 day by 3 to 108 day perfect square ni laban divide kumni 2 into 5 kadai 10 2 into 4 kadai 8 2 into 2 kadai 4 remainder 1 2 into 7 kadai 14 3 into 9 3 into 3 te hang ni kadon 2 square 3 square but way 3 2 square 3 square but way 3 kini badon square gi mi bar jong root 2 but 3 sa stang way name don square kadai be po root 2 into 3 day 6 6 root 3 ka answer kadai option A 6 root 3. 94 solve if 3y minus 4 equal 14 then y equal 2 3y minus 4 equal 14 ra ni minus 4 shakal yang jong 14 kadai plus 4 3y equal to 18 3 into 6 kadai 18 y kadai 6 answer kadai option B. 95 in a right angle triangle if one angle is 45 the other acute angle right angle kamut wayu angle day 90 degree right angle triangle ka triangle badon ya wayu angle 90 degree but ka ongs way pat day 45 ni day ban wat so way ka jo ka formula ngi use padon kam ngi plus kini r3 but new balai ngi tip ni bu x ka day by equal 180 nang ta plus kini kan day 135 plus x equal 180 pan yo x ra ni day 1 minus kadai 5 hang ni day 745 the answer kadai ka option C. Next mentang ini page kani ka part C ka elementary science ka jo absently jingkli ar marks ka way total kadai 50 marks. 96 earth seasons occur because answer kadai option B earth's axis is tilted. 97 which specific organ in the digestive system absorbs the most water answer kadai large intestine C. 98 what is the main purpose of white blood cells answer kadai C to fight infections. 99 which element makes up most of Earth's atmosphere answer kadai option B nitrogen. 100 what is the major cause of ocean tides answer kadai option B moon's gravitational pull. 101 which process is responsible for the movement of sugar in plants from leaves to other parts answer kadai translocation option B. 102 the earth's core is mainly composed of answer kadai option B iron and nickel. 103 which part of a flower becomes the fruit after fertilization answer kadai option D ovary. 104 Which gas is necessary for the process of combustion? Answer kadai option B, oxygen. 105 digestion begins in the answer kadai A, mouth. 106 which organ produces insulin? Answer kadai B, pancreas. 107 which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering in? Answer kadai B, iris. 108 a transformer works on the principle of? Answer kadai B, electromagnetic induction. 109 which natural phenomenon is caused by the rapid expansion of air due to lightning? Answer kadai B, thunder. 110 which type of rock is formed from cool molten material? Answer kadai C, igneous rock. 111 a pH of 10 suggests a solution is? Answer the C, basic. 112 which blood component helps in clotting? Answer kadai option C, platelets. 113 which simple machine is used in scissors? 113 kadai answer kadai B, liver. 114 which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Answer kadai B, stratosphere. 115 which part of the cell controls the passage of materials into and out of the cell? Answer kadai B, cell membrane. 116 which part of the human brain is responsible for maintaining balance and coordination? Answer kadai B, cerebellum. 117 the formula for speed is distance divided by time? Answer kadai B. 118 acceleration is defined as? Answer kadai E, change in velocity divided by time taken. 119 which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Kadai B, answer arteries. 120 which type of heat transfer occurs through empty space? Answer kadai option C, radiation. Next kani ka part D ka general aptitude. Kidon kumba khatsan tali jingkli R marks kawe life marks. Question 121 a man walks 5 km north. Book kani kadai direction kani dai ka center origin kani dai north kani dai east west south. Subu briu sedang ni uyai nang kong chanot kumba san kilometer nang ni hang ni subu kani dai san kilometer uyai chwa chanot nang tau pai sakamon kan dai saka east baru uyai kumba lai kilometer nang ta he turns right again upai biang saka right and walks 5 right kan 1 biang sapo nang ta san kilometer nang ni hang ni san kilometer kadai ka ju nang ni hang ni 5 kilometer upoi hang ni menta and which direction is he facing now? Tenamar ba udan hang ni upai facing upai sapo kandai south. Namaru yai na north sa najrong sapo kemun upai sapo south. The answer kadai option B, south. 122 what is the simple interest on rupees 2000 at 5% per annum for 3 years? Ka formula jong ka simple interest kadai principal into rate into time divided by 100. Ka principal hang ni kadai 2000, ka rate kadai 5%, ka time kadai 3 years divided by 100. Ni pom r tli ki 0 na po na jrong. Nangta kani 20 into 5 kadai 100, 100 to 3 kadai 300. Ka simple interest kadai 300. Answer A. 123 if in a quote CAT kadai X, Z, G, then DOG equal to. Tekani ngilek mni ngitho shwa A, B, C, D serially hado Z nang ta ngitho reverse now Z, A, B, C, D hado Z. Te hang ni PE CAT kadai X, Z, G. U C u yadai badu X. Uniu E u yadai badu Z. Uniu T u yadai badu T u yadai badu G. T bad G. Te hakju urkom ngin sim DOG. D yadai bad W. U yadai badu L. Nang tau G yadai badu TWL. T te ka answer kan dai ka option A. 124. The sum of ages of a father and a son is 45. 5 years ago, the father was 4 times older than the son. What is the son's age now? Sum kamut banya plus kasnem jong pa but kasnem jong khun kadai 45 shubu x kadai kasnem jong pa father y kadai kasnem jong khun sum nia plus kadai 45. But some nem menshua kasnem jong pa kadai x minus 5 was equal 4 times kamut 4 multiply kasnem jong khun kadai y minus 5. Tementa hang ni x ra y shagaliang jong 45 kadai 45 minus y. Hajaka jong x ngibu do 45 minus y. Hajaka jong new x kadai 45 minus y. Both ni minus 5. 4 into y kadai 4y. 4 into 5 dan minus 4 into 5 kadai 20. 45 minus 5 kadai 40. New minus y ngira hang ni kadai plus y. New minus 20 ngira hang ni kadai plus 20. 4 plus 1 hang ni mud don 1 kadai 5y. 40 plus 20 kadai 60. 5 into 12 kadai 60. Y kadai 12. Kai ka y kadai ka age of a son. Kamud ka answer kadai option B 12. 125. A square has an area. Square kadai baro saudeng kadai ka jo side shubuang ni a ka area kadai 144. Formula kadai a square 144. What is its perimeter? Ngidai banwa dia ka ching jrong jong kadai ka boundary baro ni haban plus way r lai sao fu e kadai ka perimeter ni wa diu e menta a square equal 144 kadai 12 square nama 12 into 12 kadai 144 square ni cancel e kadai 12 jingsha kadai plus minus henry ngim sim yo minus namar e kadai ka leng ka jingjrong dan minus kadai bit plus 12 kemud 4 into 12 kadai 48 ka perimeter kadai 48 answer kadai e. 126. Find the odd one out. Kano bak pair na kiniki number badan hangni 2 3 5 7 11 14 17 ni dei prime baro dei prime like no kani 14 kam dei prime tak answer ka dei 14 ka pair badan ha pedeng kiniki number. If ALL ka dei 1 2 3 ALL ka dei 1 2 3 kai ka BALL kani kan dei biang 1 2 3 kumba la dep ai hang ni to B la dau E dei 1 B dei 2 kan dei 2 1 2 3 kan answer ka dei option A. What comes next? Teng ni don number 2 4 8 16 teng yi hang ni now 2 ban 1 shall 4 multiply 2 into 2 day 4 now 4 shall 8 4 into 2 day 8 into 2 day 16 kamut next row multiply 2 16 to 2 kan day 32 answer ka day option B. Find the odd one out. Apple, mango, orange, carrot. Yang ni apple, mango, orange day fruits, carrot day vegetable. Kaba pair ni ka day carrot answer ka day option D. Next 130. Which number comes next? 1 4 9 16. 1 fu ngipe dagaru layu ki follow ni kadai 1 square kamut 1 into 1. Kani 2 square 2 into 2 4. 3 square 3 into 3 9. 4 square 4 into 4 16. Kamut next 5 square 5 into 5 kan day 25. The answer kadai A. Nangta DOG equal to 16. 26 then CAT equal to kaniro meni A B C D E F G la bento bat bu dong number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 nangta H I J K L M N 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. D kadai 4. DOG 4. O kadai 15. G kadai 7. Dangnya plus kani 7 plus 4 kadai 11, 11 plus 15 kadai 26. CET. C kadai 3, E kadai 1, T kadai 20 nya plus 20 plus 1 21 plus 3 kadai 24. Ka answer kadai ka option A 24. 132. What comes next in the series? The series ang ni kadai 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. Nang ni plus 4. Nang ni plus 6. Nang ni plus 8. Nang ni plus 10. Okay, ban 1. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 2, 2 kadai 12. 30 plus 12 kadai 42. Ka answer kadai option A. Next 133. If table is coded as GZOWI, how is chair coded? Niru kumjo hi mani kumbangila dep tho mani ne ABCD nang ta ka reverse uti ya dai baru G. Tang ni table code kadai GZOWI uti baru G. Biang AZ, A baru Z, B baru O, B baru O. Hang ni kami dai shoot nomor B kadai baru Y. Nang ta ka L baru V, hang ni ka L baru O. Dah hang ni new L ubo shau O. Kebetulan shau O. Nang ta E baru V, new E baru V. Nang ta bakado dayu Y. Kani ka jingkali ka dan jing bakla jing sha ni ubi baru Y. Kadai banlong Y hang ni jing sha L baru O hang ni O. Nang tau E baru V. Kadai banlong G Z Y O V. Chair CHAIR. Kadai banlong C baru X UH baru S. Nang tau E Z I baru R. Nang ta kene R baru new R baru I. Kadai X S Z R I. Ta name M R I ka yes ya jan bahawan new R M ma jakau I ki bodau M. Ta ngin tik da kane ka I jing sha handrai kane ka bakla kane ki jingkali. 134. A can complete a job in 10 days and B in 15 days. If they work together, how many days will they take? Theo A la ban pandep kumbai spell sngi kamut ka work jong A kan day 1 by 10. Ka work jong ka B kan day 1 by 15. Together, dangia plus what LCM 10 by 15. 5 into 2 10. 5 to 3 day 15. 2 into 3 kadai 6, 6, 5 kadai 30. 10 into 3 30 multiply 3. 15 to 2 30 multiply 2. 1 to 3 3. 1 to 2 day 2 kadai 5 by 30. 5 into 1 5 into 6. The together kia tray lang ka work jong ki kadai 1 by 6. The how many days? Kadai 6 days. The answer kadai option B. 135. 25% of a number. 25% of a number ngimtip number is equal 45. 25 kadai 25 by 100% into x equal 45. Here cancel 25 into 1 day 25. 25 into 4 day 100. Kadai x by 4 equal to 45. 4 cross multiply badu 45. 4 5 kadai 20 carry 2. 4 4 16 17 18. Kadai 180 answer kadai option C. But part E kadai ga GK general knowledge kadai nhiều per marks hang ni kadai kawai shimak. 136. The Indian Constitution came into effect on answer kadai option B 26 January 1950. 137. Who gave the slogan do or die? Answer ก็ได้ option C Mahatma Gandhi 138 Who led the salt satyagraha from Tamil Nadu Answer ก็ได้ option A Raja Gopalachari 139 What does nota stands for ก็ได้ none of the above Answer ก็ได้ B 140 When was nota introduced in India Answer ก็ได้ B 2013 141 The 73rd Constitutional Amendment deals with Answer ก็ได้ option C Election to Panchayats 142 In India elections are held using method Answer ก็ได้ option C Secret voting 143 Universal adult franchise means Answer ก็ได้ option C Every adult citizen can vote 144 Elections petitions are settled by Answer ก็ได้ option C Supreme or High Court 145 Which schedule of the Constitution relates to anti-defection laws Answer ก็ได้ option C 10th schedule 146 Delimitation of constituencies is done by Answer ก็ได้ option C Delimitation Commission 147 Which Prime Minister gave the slogan Garibi Hatao Answer ก็ได้ option B Indira Gandhi 148 Which Indian state uses VVPAT machine for voting Answer ก็ได้ C All states 149 Which election is conducted through the proportional representation system in India Answer ก็ได้ option B Rajya Sabha 150 What is the term used when no single party wins a majority Answer ก็ได้ C coalition 151 The use of electronic voting machine EVMS started in India in 19 option ก็ได้ answer C 1998 152 What is the term of office of the chief election commissioner Answer ก็ได้ C 6 years or until 65 years of age 53 The highest multipurpose river valley project in India is Answer ก็ได้ option 3 option D 154 Which of the following is an example of rainwater harvesting Answer C rooftop water collection 155 Which river is associated with the Hirakud Dam Answer ก็ได้ B Mahanadi 156 Which of the following is not a use of dams Answer ก็ได้ option C mining 157 Which state has made rooftop rainwater harvesting compulsory in all houses Answer ก็ได้ option C Tamil Nadu 158 India's climatic is strongly influenced by Answer ก็ได้ option C monsoon 159 Which is the wettest place in India Answer ก็ได้ option B Mawsynram 160 Which winds are responsible for rainfall in India during summer Answer ก็ได้ option B southwest monsoon 161 The retreating monsoon occurs during Answer ก็ได้ option C October November 162 Which part of India receives the lowest rainfall Answer ก็ได้ option B Western Rajasthan 163 Sundarbans are known for which type of forest Answer ก็ได้ option C mangrove 164 Which forest is also known as the monsoon forest Answer ก็ได้ C deciduous 165 Which tree is commonly found in thorn forest Answer ก็ได้ option C acacia 166 Which animal is found only in India Answer ก็ได้ option D Asiatic lion 167 Kaziranga National Park is famous for Answer ก็ได้ option C one horn rhinoceros 168 Which of the following rivers originates in India Answer ก็ได้ A Ganga 169 Which planet is known as the red planet Answer ก็ได้ B Mars 170 who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet answer ก็ได้ option B William Shakespeare 171 which is the largest ocean in the world answer ก็ได้ option D Pacific Ocean 172 in which year did World War II end answer ก็ได้ option A 1945 173 which country is known as the land of the rising sun answer ก็ได้ C Japan 174 what is the capital of Canada answer ก็ได้ B Ottawa 175 what is H2O commonly known as answer ก็ได้ C water 176 what is the current Secretary General of the United Nations as of 2025 answer ก็ได้ A Antonio Guterres 177 which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere answer ก็ได้ option C carbon dioxide 178 how many countries are there on how many continents are there on earth answer ก็ได้ option C 7 179 which is the longest river in the world answer ก็ได้ B Nile 180 who discovered gravity answer ก็ได้ B Isaac Newton 181 which is the hardest natural substance on earth answer ก็ได้ B diamond 182 in which country were the Olympic Games invented answer ก็ได้ option C Greece 183 which organ purifies blood in the human body answer ก็ได้ option D kidneys 184 what is the largest desert in the world answer ก็ได้ option D Antarctic 185 which country hosted the FIFA World Cup in 2006 answer ก็ได้ D Germany 186 which element has the chemical O option answer ก็ได้ option B oxygen 187 what is the currency of Japan answer ก็ได้ A yen 188 who painted the Mona Lisa answer ก็ได้ option D Leonardo da Vinci 189 when did the non-cooperation movement start answer ก็ได้ option B 1920 190 which event led to the suspension of the non-cooperation movement answer ก็ได้ option C Chori Chora incident 191 who composed the song Vande Mataram answer ก็ได้ option A Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay 192 who launched the civil disobedience movement in 1930 answer ก็ได้ option C Mahatma Gandhi 193 which disease killed millions in Europe in the 14th century answer ก็ได้ C plague 194 which country was known as the workshop of the world in 19th century answer ก็ได้ option C Britain 195 the first world war began in which year answer ก็ได้ B 1914 196 who invented the printing press answer ก็ได้ option B Johannes Gutenberg 197 who founded the Indian National Congress answer ก็ได้ option B A.O. Hume 198 the partition of Bengal happened in answer ก็ได้ option B 1905 199 who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright answer ก็ได้ option B Bal Gangadhar Tilak 200 Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in answer ก็ได้ B 1919 201 what was the objective of the Caliphate movement ก็ได้ answer A Hindu Muslim unity 202 the Quit Indian movement was launched in answer ก็ได้ C 1942 203 Subhash Chandra Bose led which army ก็ได้ Indian National Army option C 204 who was the last viceroy of India answer ก็ได้ A Lord Mountbatten 205 India got independence on answer B 15 August 1947 Kublai Shibun